Hello, and welcome to PavementSoft University. In this video and in the following videos, I'm going to be going over how to complete the 10 onboarding steps in PavementSoft so that you can customize the system so that it will work best for you. To start, when you first log in, you will have a green bar at the top here and a yellow bar. The green bar is where you are able to view the most recent updates that we have put out and any updates previously released for PavementSoft. The yellow bar will allow you to view the 10 onboarding steps. You can cycle through the 10 steps here with the arrows, and then you can also click Take Me There to take you to the location to fill out that step. So, in this video, we're going to go over step 1, which is complete user profile information. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Take Me There. I can also get to this location by clicking on my name in the top right and then clicking User Profile. So on our first tab here, under the Profile tab, we have some information that we need to fill out. And I'm going to walk through each step together. Your email will be filled out from when you signed up already. Your username is where you will enter in your name that you will have up in the top right corner here. Here you can enter in your title. Here in these two fields here, you will be able to select admin approval for bids over a certain dollar amount and admin approval for bids under a certain percentage. If you are the first user, I would recommend leaving these blank. If you are not the first user and you need to set this number for the user's account you are filling out, you can click here and input the number you would like them to be. If you are the first user, you will be automatically defaulted to the executive account. Make sure that you do not change this, as the first account you will need to have at least one executive account. Here you can set the different permissions for this account. Here is the employee line where you will be able to, if you do work in the field, assign and associate this account with an employee account under the production side. Here's where you can assign this account a color that will be associated and viewable on the schedule. Here's where you can add a photo of yourself. This photo can be used on proposals. If you do not have a photo, you can, if you have a way to upload a photo, you can take a screenshot and you can get that photo uploaded. Here's where you can add a signature by taking a screenshot as well in a Word document. What I recommend doing is opening up a Word document and typing out your name and finding a font that you like, and what you can do is take a screenshot of it and upload it. To take a screenshot on PC, you want to use the PRTSC or print screen button on your keyboard. If you do not have a print screen button on your keyboard, press the Windows key to display the start screen and type on-screen keyboard, and then click on-screen keyboard in the results list to launch the utility. You can press the print screen button to capture the screen and store the image in the clipboard. Paste the image into an image editor by pressing Ctrl V and then save it. If you're on a Mac, you can press Shift, Command, and 4 at the same time, and you will be able to select an area you want to take a screenshot of, which would be just your signature. On a Mac, your screenshots are usually saved to your desktop, and then you can browse files to upload that image. Here's where you can enter in any phone numbers to reach you, either a cell phone or an office number with an extension. Here's where you can set your email notifications. So anytime any of these items are done, if you have the toggle checked to on, you will be able to receive a notification. You can also select whether a bid with a total greater than is 1. So if you would like to see any bids over $100,000 or anything like that, you can specify that here and be notified when that bid with that number is won. Here is where you can also connect to a DocuSign account. DocuSign works as you will need your own specific DocuSign account for each user. So you will not be able to share DocuSign accounts with multiple users. You'll need your own. Once you're finished, you will be able to click Save and move on to the next step, which is the Security tab. So here's where you can view what your security question is. You can change your security question here and set a new security answer. You can update your password, and then to make any changes, you will need to enter in your current password. Once you're done with anything, make sure you click Save. Next, we want to move on to the Offices tab. Now, this is where you can assign users or yourself, if you have multiple offices, to those offices. So, if you have multiple offices, you can click Assign to Office, and it will pull up the offices that you have. If you only have one office, you will not need to do anything here. And then the Goals tab is where you can set some specific goals for this user account that you will be able to track on your dashboard. So, once we go to our dashboard, after you've made any changes and set some goals for yourself and then click Save, we can then view how we are doing with our circles here and how much they are filled out and see how we are doing on our jobs. So, this is step 1. Step 2 will be to complete company profile information, and we will cover that in the next video. Until then, thank you for watching.